Clemens, we have some new guidelines for the new communication tool.
Okay.
Yes, we have this list. We're mandating that it should provide the following: meet for friends and family, have good storage, be multi-user, affordable of course, and have some kind of antivirus protection. Are you paying attention, Clemens?
Of course. And don't forget great sound.
Sound. It's got something to do with that DJ. Who was it? Tiesto. You have an obsession bordering on obsession. And what are you doing?
Tuning the coffee machine. I've modified it to make an espresso in 7.7 seconds. Here, try.
Good. Do you know what would be really nice though? If you put the same effort into developing the NCT. So let's go on with it, shall we? Go through the list with the others, don't forget.
I think... No. Yes! I can make this faster.